Hey Sherry Vans, Mike Sherry here. I have a really nice pre-owned rear entry Dodge Grand Caravan to show you today. This vehicle was originally sold here at the dealership when it had a new mobility system in it, and the customer went through their use of it and we were able to get it back, and really great shape. Has low miles on it for the year. This is an SXT, which typically new, it seems like a lot of these when they're brand new are the SE Grand Caravan. And the big difference between the two trim levels on the Grand Caravan is going to be the equipment. One, you get leather seats in the SXT, and also you get power doors. So you're going to have the power liftgate in the back here, and then you get the two sliding power doors, which are really nice. So let's jump into the mobility side of it, and then we'll get into the van side. So the mobility side here, it has a nice aluminum ramp, and it's going to be 34 inches wide. Comes up into the long channel here. This is a 90-inch long channel, which what that means is you can have up to 2 wheelchairs in here. So the front position for the wheelchair is going to be right up here. You can see the Q-strand tie downs in the floor. There's your Q-strand tie downs right there. So it already has that. Saves you a few $100s from buying them. So those don't all the time come in pre-owned vans. And then here's your 2 tie downs for the back of the front position, and then the 2 tie downs for the front of the rear position, if that makes sense. You do have your shoulder straps here and here. Does have the rear heat and air conditioning controls back here for the back. All around shows to be in really good shape. Don't notice any issues there. Now this is a ATS system, which you're going to have the ceramic coated bumper covers here, bumper protectors. So as you're maybe wheeling in your chair, maybe you might bump this with the foot pedal or something of the chair. It's ceramic coated, so it's really tough, and it's going to last good. I did take my tape measurement out here. The bottleneck here is going to be right here, the ramp catch from here to here, 33.5 inches. All right, so the ramp itself is going to be assisted with 2 gas-filled struts. So the manufacturer states that this weighs about 7 pounds of force, either up or down, and it's really easy to do. So get my tape measure out of here. And notice how the ramp goes into that ramp catch, and then this latch will allow it to firmly press against that catch to keep the ramp in place while you're going down the road and not to rattle so bad. Also, that ramp catch keeps the ramp in place in case this vehicle might be in a rear impact collision, which is a nice safety factor that not all rear entry companies do. So on the keyless entry, I did mention that it does have the power liftgate. You just hit the button twice and down it goes. Also on here, there is remote start, as well as the door openers for the side doors. Everything really looks good. Paintwork looks good back here. Coming over the passenger side, go ahead and hit this door twice. Open it comes. What they do is they take the factory seats and just move them over a little bit. So it still has factory seats, so everything matches, which is nice. And you have a little button right here that'll allow that door to close, or you can do it from the keyless entry. Tires look to be in pretty good shape here. Has alloy wheels on it. They're 17-inch. You can see here it's got a good amount of tread left on the tires, so I think you're good there. The front of these vans hasn't been altered in any way. Let's see, 4-wheel disc brakes. Everything was really clean on this van. I like the bright white color too. It's powered by a V6, so plenty of pep. I like how these sit when you drive. They sit at a height where you don't have to climb up in, nor do you have to fall down in to get in, so it makes it nice. Defrosting on the mirror there. See, the power door opens up just fine. Now, financing is available. We get a lot of customers like you that watch these videos online and they have questions about financing. So we actually designed a website. By we, I mean the people much smarter than me that designed the internet website for you. So I just post a link down below. Go ahead and take a look at that. Just look for the URL that says something about financing down in the comments that I leave below. Okay, let's go ahead and hop in and take a look. I can't get over how clean the interior is on this, so if that's important to you, this van is definitely clean inside. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. So it has just over 48,000 miles. You see 48,006 miles. No warning lights on the dash, as you can see. There is a little red light here. That's just seatbelt light. I have not put it on yet. Over here it does have the automatic headlights, power windows, and remote controlled mirrors, as well as power locks. Plenty of space for stuff in the door here. It does have cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as hands-free connectivity. Over here does have your touchscreen radio with AM, FM, and satellite radio. And then I'll go ahead and put it in reverse. Yeah, it does have the color backup camera, which is a nice feature. Heat and air conditioning controls. There's 3 zones in these vans. So you have your driver's zone, your passenger zone, and your rear zone. And what's great about it is you can control all 3 right here, and it's very simple. It's not complicated. And then that rear zone you can control independently with the controls in the back that I showed you earlier in the video. Couple power ports down there, 12-volt power, change organizer. There's 2 glove compartments in these vans, so all around everything really looks nice and clean. You can see you can do the power doors and liftgate right here as well. If you have any questions on this van, feel free to call us. We have a good selection of brand new rear entry vans, as well as side entry vans, and even full-size conversion vans. So excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. But yeah, we got full-size conversion vans, a lot of mobility options here at One Stop Shop. We are a Chrysler Dodge Jeep store, so it's no different than buying a vehicle at your local store. So we make it simple here. This is the history report. You can see just 2 previous owners, no accidents reported. Another thing, and I don't know why, but a lot of these pre-owned mobility vans, particularly the Caravans and Sienna vans, have been like salvaged, meaning they've been in an accident where they had to total the vehicle and then someone put it back together. So just be cautious of that. Definitely check the AutoCheck or the Carfax. So we post these on all of our websites. So definitely take a look at this. This one is clear, but when you're shopping pre-owned, just kind of buyer beware on that. I don't know why that's the case. So. But this one definitely is not. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we look forward to working with you and helping you out with your transportation needs. So take care. Bye-bye.